Life, for all its beauty and wonder, is undeniably marked by challenges. From the smallest inconvenience to the most profound hardships, no one escapes this universal truth.
Is Juanita Vizcaino Morales, the oldest daughter of Fernando M. Vizcaino and Josefina M. Vizcaino, born in Colot, Tinalupillo, Bataan. She has six siblings. They are Roger M. Vizcaino, Virginia M. Vizcaino, Mitchell M. Vizcaino, Janani M. Vizcaino, Juliet M. Vizcaino, and Fernando M. Vizcaino Jr.
Life is a roller coaster, a whirlwind of joy, sorrow, love, loss, and everything in between. She experienced through her childhood, but she will go to school to learn how to read and write, then do some gardening and planting, flowers and plants. And then after the class ended, she will go home to do some household chores before she played with her friends to help her mom. In dinner time, they will pray before they start eating their foods. After dinner time, she will go to the bathroom to clean herself. Before going to sleep, she will pray with her family and then sleep. And that's how her childhood starts. In the grand symphony of existence, every life plays a unique melody.
She experienced through her teenage day was after she finished elementary school because of the hardship of life. She stopped studying so that she could help her father with his work. And what they do, I take tree from the mountain to split and tie them to sell in the store. They will gather water to deliver it to the houses of their neighbor, and they will went to the mountains again to look for vegetable and go to the river to get some breast to sell it in the market. After that, she and her father will go home with goods and money that they have earned because of the hardship of life. The income is not enough for all of them. So she decided work as a helper to provide all the needs of her parents and support her siblings who are studying.
When she entered in the adulthood, she knows that she is in the right age to have her own family. So she started to have a spouse and own family. She had 5 sons and 4 daughters. She continued to work to help her spouse to give all the needs and to support her own family. But there was a tragedy came into her life. Her mother got into an accident and left them for the rest of their lives. It was the saddest moment of her life, but she needed to accept that fate. She promised to her father that she will still support him to all the things he needs in his daily needs. But unfortunately, after years of supporting her father also left her and her siblings. They were all sad at that moment of their life because both of their parents passed away. Before saying her last goodbye to her parents, she promised to them, no matter how hard life is, she will going to take care of her siblings. Even though they are old, she will still look after them.
We navigate a world brimming with both beauty and hardship, leaving our unique mark on the canvas of time through the choices we make.
In this present time, she will work to support the needs of her family, and she will visit her siblings when she have a day off. From work, she was staying at her house to in hold chores and bonding with her daughter and grandson. When she have an extra income, she will go out to hang out with and visit her siblings.
That's how we witnesses the life of Juanita Morales. This documentary shows the resilience, the beauty, and the incredible diversity of human experience, reminding us of the power we each hold to make our time on earth meaningful. While these obstacles may test our resilience and push push us to our limits, they also offer opportunities for growth, compassion, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Whether we face financial struggles, navigate complex relationships, or grapple with questions of identity and purpose, adversity is woven into the every fabric of human experience. May we all treasure all of the